you like to be a web developer, first thing you have to do, you have to learn HTML. Today I am going to teach you the first HTML class in YouTube. This is for the beginners. Please watch till the end. It will beneficial for you.
Let's start. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. To create web pages, we need HTML language. HTML elements are building blocks of HTML tags. HTML elements is the building blocks of HTML pages. Okay, fine. HTML elements are represented by tags. We have to use tags to create a HTML page. Okay, fine. What is next? What is HTML elements? Okay, what is HTML elements? An HTML elements is an HTML element is a start tag and end tag with content in between. There should be a start tag, end tag, and this is the content. This H1 is a heading tag. Okay, this also H1 is a heading tag. This is the end tag, and this is the content. This is a paragraph tag, end paragraph tag. This is the content. Okay. Then what is attribute? HTML element can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about the elements. Attribute comes in name or value pair like height. Okay, if image is a tag, then height is a attribute. Attributes used to give a specific value. Like if you are using image tag, then height is a attribute and 100px is the specific value, right? Next, HTML document structure. HTML document structure is like this. Always starts with a HTML tag followed by a head tag, then comes title tag. This is the title. It can be anything what you want or what you like. Now see, title tag, close end title tag here, head end tag is here. Now body is started. This is the heading tag. The letter would be bigger for this tag. P is a paragraph tag, end of paragraph tag. The line will occur in next paragraph for this tag. Okay, at last we have to close the body tag. This is the end body tag and this is the end HTML tag. We always start our HTML with HTML tag and the end should be with end HTML tag. Which tag has a start, it should have a end tag also. Okay, now the special note is only the content inside the body section, the white area above, is displayed in a browser. In browser we will see these things, only the body portion, what we written down in body portion. Okay, let's see by a practical example. Copy these whole things. copy this content. Okay, right click, copy. Now I'm minimizing this. Okay, then start, all programs, accessories, then go to Notepad. This is Notepad. We already copied the content. I have to just paste over here. Okay, so the next thing, how we have to save the HTML file. Go to the file section, then click on saved, give any file name, anything. Now I am giving Shom Education. Okay, file name given. Then the main thing comes, you have to give .html. This is mandatory. If you are creating a HTML file, then you should have give .html in file name option, in file name portion, sorry. So I've given already. So save, click on save button. We already saved. Now see what will happen in the name is Shom Education. This one always open with a browser. It may be Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Okay, right now I'm opening with Google Chrome. See what happened. This is our first HTML page, the input and output section together. Look, I already told you only the body portion we can see in the web page, and this is the body portion which appeared on web page. Okay, H1 is a heading tag, that's why this line is bigger, these alphabets are bigger, and these two are paragraphs, only paragraphs. Okay, I think you understood.
If you have any query regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. And to watch my latest video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.